You won't find a neighborhood with better topography, hills, and views than right here. You are just minutes away from TPC Craig Ranch, where they have the Byron Nelson, Adriatica, and Stonebridge Country Club. Plus, you're within walking distance of your top-ranked McKinney schools. Welcome to my luxury listing at 6229 Habersham Way in McKinney, Texas. Located in the gated community of Emerald Heights and Stonebridge Ranch. Built in 2021, the curb appeal is stunning with the wrought iron entry door and upgraded brick with stone accent. This is easily one of McKinney's best kept secrets. This Belle Claire custom home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's 1 story, so you've got your media room on the 1st floor. You've got a 3-car garage, and the views of the backyard with the trees and the creek are spectacular. You're gonna love this property. I can't wait to share more about this home with you right now. When you enter the home, you are greeted by a soaring cathedral ceiling and open floor plan. On your left is a dining room that the current homeowners have transformed into a great sitting area for entertaining. The private study is also in the front of the home, complete with custom wall-to-wall built-in bookshelves and cabinetry. As you continue into the home, you will find the open family room with gorgeous beam vaulted ceilings, a direct vent linear gas fireplace, and even enough space for a baby grand piano. To the right of the family room is a private media room with French doors where you can enjoy all of your favorite movies. This custom kitchen is awesome. It's equipped with stainless steel appliances, including 30-inch double ovens and a 6-burner cooktop. This spacious kitchen also has quartz countertops, a furniture-style island, an apron front sink, and cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Relax in the owner's suite, which offers views of the backyard with these dramatic oversized windows. You will also enjoy the spa-like bathroom with quartz countertops, a luxurious freestanding bathtub, frameless shower enclosure, double vanities, and his and her walk-in closets. Now it's time to walk outside and experience my favorite part of this property. The covered patio with all of the seating space. You've got plenty of shade in the Texas sun and spectacular views of all of the trees and creek that sit behind us, which make this an awesome place to hang out all year long. So if you want to experience one of McKinney's best kept secrets, this is the home for you. Plus, you get to enjoy everything that Texas has to offer. We just need to get you right here to come hang out with me. Hey, don't forget to follow and like us on social media, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please make a comment because I love to hear what you have to say. #WillSellsIt, and we'll see you on the next home tour.